Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a famous celebrity that belongs to the sports world. He is a famous boxer and entertainer with a net worth of approximately $400 million. Well, how do we say their name correctly? We may pronounce it as Mike Tyson, Mike Tyson, Mike Tyson, Mike Tyson. Mike Tyson is considered one of the most iconic and ferocious boxers in history. He's also famous for acting, podcasting, and even his ventures into cannabis entrepreneurship. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.